Hi, in this video I'm going to show you one issue that is not common and maybe take you a while to understand why this is not working properly. So let's suppose I have one column and I want to filter out all the error value. So like NA is error, and then diff by 0 is another error, name is another error. So if we do that, go to this home, and then I guess where is the filter? Filter, and I can just say let's do this manually like this, div and this string. So I can only see them. Sorry, I checked that. Instead I need to uncheck them. So that is gone, right? So let's see if we do record a macro, what do you get? So same idea. Let's see this. Now I'll get rid of this. So I have recorded one macro. Let me go into the Visual Basic and see what the code is written for me. So I can see that this is the range. That's auto filter fill 2. So fill 2 means this is the second column of this current range, or basically from this range. And then criteria is saying it's picking up that values that is other than the errors. So what if let's do the other one, like I want to show the error ones. So let me record another macro. Let's see, get rid of this and then choose this string. Let's see, stop this, go into this again. Now you can see that I get this active set dot range, and this is the range address, auto filter field 2, that's and this is the array value like the previous one, 1, 10 and so on. So div by 0, NA, ML. Now let me show you something interesting. So I'll get rid of this filter manually and then I'll run this code. So I'm expecting that I'll get those error ones, right? Correctly. So let me just run this and go here, and you can see that the name error is not coming up, is not checked, although I'm saying that I need that name error here, right? And this is the problem, and this problem wasted my time, 2 or 3 hours to solve this. Boy, this is not working. I just recorded that macro and the same macro is not working anymore. If I just run this, I get that weird result that this name error is not checked, and this is the problem. So before going to the solution, I'll appreciate if you consider subscribing and sharing this content. So let's move into the solution part. So what this does is that if you look at this name error, then you'll see that we have this question mark, right? This question mark, and this question mark is being used as a wildcard. So Excel use wildcard, so let me just show you one example here. So now if I just say area, right? So I'll just say ARE, and then I'll just use this question mark. Then you can see still I get this area, right? Because I'm saying it will start with ARE, but it could be after that we may have one character, right? That's why when we are doing this question mark, it just say this is a question mark, so this is the wildcard. So if you just search a little bit like wildcard in Excel, so you'll just see that what are escape character actually. So I get the solution actually. So there are wildcards. A wildcard is a special character that allow you to perform a fuzzy matchup, asterisk, question mark, represent any single character. For example, if you search for Smith, it will find both Smith and SMYTH, Smith. So let me just show you that one as well. So let's see, Smith. Let's see, that will be interesting one. So SM question mark ITH, right? You can see that I do have the question mark, and this question mark match both of these is I and Y. So this question mark is just basically saying that one character, anything, it could be anything, but it's a one character. So that was the reason why this one is not being this was not checked out. So how can you solve this? How to ignore that I don't want to treat this as a question mark. That's why this escape character is coming. It says an escape character when in front of a special character, instruct Excel to use it as a literal text. So just use this question mark as a question mark, not as a wildcard. So that's where we use this tilde operator. And now if I just use this tilde operator, and if I just run this again, now this time I'll see that this name error. Let me just check that again. So we have this name error, tilde operator, and question mark, tilde followed by represent a literal question mark, asterisk, or tilde. For example, tilde, find the value. Let's see, let me just check that again. Same thing. Let's see again. Let me just remove anything in this section. Let me also remove that auto filter. and let's run. Look at this, it's still couldn't match this name. It's weird. Let's see. So filter for error only, and then data range is going to be active cell dot current region. Let's see problem. Let's see clear filter, question mark, invalid name error. So this is good. There's a question mark error, name error. It's okay. So this is not working, and look at this, still it's not working. Super bad. Let's see. Still it's not working. Still the operator. So let's see. Input of a wildcard asterisk literal. Let's see. Let me try again manually. Let's see what we get as name. Yeah, it does find that, but it doesn't show me in this section. It's a 0 record, but when I'm saying okay name and then question mark or tilde question mark, it could find that, right? But it's a 0 record. This is really painful bug actually, but basically the idea is you should be able to find that name and then tilde operator to match this as exactly as question mark, okay, like this, and this is okay. Like, you know, we do this, we should get that, you know, that rows where it says name error. So let me know if you have any solution to this particular bugs or problem, if you know why it's not working. Okay, but ideally this is the way we should do that. Okay, we should ignore those special wildcard, like, you know, I'm doing like, you know, filter only for errors, and you can see I have this tilde operator to ignore this wildcard. So that's it for this video. Let me know if you have solution to this particular issue. I believe it was working earlier, but I'm not sure what chance or if I'm doing something wrong or not. That's it for this video. Have a good day.